Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Creativity nourishes the mind as it brings you automatically into the present moment. Today's video I am sharing creative ways to repurpose old CDs. So let's start. For the first CD I am going to use velvet papers which has adhesive on its back. The colors are bold and perfect for festival decor. For today's video, I am going to use red color. First step is to cover the CD with the paper. If you don't have this paper, you can use any other colored paper which is little bit thicker than the normal paper. After drawing CD on the paper, cut it using the scissor or any other sharp cutter. Cut it properly. If it is extra, no problem, but it should not be within the circle. Before sticking, ensure it covers the CD fully. Now stick the paper to the CD. Take your time and be very careful when you stick it because this adhesive is very strong. Once it is stuck, you cannot take it out. Press it nicely so that it sticks all over. If you see some extra paper on the back side, just trim it out. The back side of the CD I am covering with the plain paper, but if you want, you can use velvet paper here as well. Since I am making this candle holder for festivals, I am going to use these glass diamonds for the decoration. These are very easy to stick as it comes with glue on it. I am going to apply clear glue just to ensure that it stays on and doesn't come off easily. You can use any other glue also which dries clear. This is very easy to do and we should enjoy doing simple things. If possible, involve your kids also into this. I will be placing this candle, so I have to leave this space in the middle. For that purpose, I am sticking this label temporarily. If you don't have this, you can cut a cardboard or another paper of the same size of your candle. Just ensure that it is in the center. I really enjoyed making this piece. It's not always necessary we have to do difficult things to prove ourselves. Now I am going to use this Fevicryl 3D outliners for the decoration. They come in beautiful colors and are very easy to use. If you are not confident with the 3D liners, practice it on a paper or a plastic sheet. You can draw any other design of your choice. I don't want to fill it too much, so I am just using simple designs. Whatever design you choose, do it slowly and neatly. In case you want to correct something in your design, let it dry first and use a needle or a toothpick to correct it. I will be using it for Diwali decor, so I am just preparing small diyas here. I made 2 more CDs of the same design using yellow color. It came out so nice and can be used for any festival puja decoration or center table decoration. For the second CD, I am just going to use this red thread which is also called moli. It is so easy to make that anyone with no art skills can make it. And also you don't need too many things to make this. Just apply the glue and start placing thread on it. Initially, you might feel like it's not sticking properly, but don't worry, once it's dry, it will be stick nicely. Don't stretch the thread too much while sticking because it will shrink little bit after drying. Do it slowly and enjoy the process. It is not always necessary that we have to use lot of fancy and expensive materials to make any art. Just use your creativity with the available materials at home. I have covered the center part of the CD also with the thread. Now I will leave it for drying. After drying, if you see any gaps, just cover that area again with the thread. This is how it looks after drying. The color shading of yellow and orange looks so beautiful. To decorate this, I am using this mirror cutouts, but if you don't have it, you can cut the CD also in these shapes. Just soak the CD for 10 minutes in hot water and then cut it into the required shapes. You can make circles, you can make diamond, or you can make triangles as well. I made this round cutout from the CD and sticking this in the center. If you have some decorative material from old Rakhis, you can use that as well. You can use it not only as a candle holder but for the decoration of your home temple. I hope you like these ideas and will make something creative for your home too. Thank you for watching.